Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, do you know it? Correct. Number 2, teach, taught, taught. Irregular. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob has a learning system. Bob has a learning system. System. He has an organized way to do it. Now we can make a flashcard for system. These words are in level 1, but they are very difficult. Please make a card like this. Write system up here in the top left corner. S-Y-S-T-E-M. Down here in this corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here the number 169 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. System. System. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer teaches every day. Jennifer teaches every day. Teaches. She makes information available for people to learn, and she shows people how to do things. Now we can make a flashcard for teach. This is an irregular verb. So for yesterday, we say she taught yesterday. And for present perfect, we say she has taught for 5 years. We say to teach somebody, and also to teach something. Please make a card like this. To teach, SS, means somebody or something. Past tense, taught, taught. Please write those on your card. Down here, IV1. This means irregular verb, level 1. And over here, the number 34 out of 40. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Teach. Taught. Teach is also a double verb. So this is correct. And this is correct without 2. Game over. You did really well today. Level 2 for high level. Milk and water are liquids. Correct. Partier is from the verb to party. It's a person. And what do you do online? You scroll. Correct. With an O. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.